Happy Tuesday, coming from the sunny city of Joliet, city of champions. This is Mr. Cage, your mindset transformation coach, and this is the thought of the day. In most cases, when we want to make more money, we work more hours. My response to you is no. Why? Because it's going to cost you more time, and your time is more valuable than making the money because you need the time to provide the service or product to make the money. The question is, how do I, quote unquote, make more money without working more hours? Now, it's determined on the game that you playing. If we playing the employee game, then that's going to be true. But if we looking for time freedom, we have to play another game. And the game that we have to play is value. The master key is to create more value, not work more hours. If I want to make more money, my first mindset is not to work more hours. My first mindset is to create more value. The question is, how do I create value? The first step, or one of the first steps to create value, is to escuchen, is to listen. We have to listen to other people's problems and not try to identify their problems for them. Reason being is because when a person identifies their own problem, they're going to look for a solution. But sometimes when we identify it, if they haven't realized it, what we have could help them, but they have not come to that realization. So once we listen for the problem that our customer or client has identified first, then we can shift into solving the problem by creating a service or product, thus adding more value and working less hours. Now, if you want to make more money and work less hours, type value in the comment section below.